Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fifth degree polynomial. So the important thing to know is what degree means when we're talking about polynomials, because it doesn't mean the same thing as science. So a degree in a polynomial is simply the highest exponent. So it's the highest exponent in a polynomial. So if I want a fifth degree polynomial, all that means is that I'm going to choose the variable x. My highest exponent is going to be a 5. So all of my other terms can be whatever I want them to be, but it has to be at a degree of 5. So I can add a coefficient to this if I want, or I can leave it just x to the fifth if I wanted to. And now I can add some other terms as long as none of the exponents are greater than 5. So I can say plus 4x cubed minus 2x plus 7. And now I've got a fifth degree polynomial because the highest exponent was 5. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to make a fifth degree polynomial.